Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to download the FRC game tools. So that includes Driver Station and the RoboRio imaging software. So currently, from what I can see, I've looked around a bit, is that you can only download it for Windows computers. I know there is a download for Apple, but I cannot find it. If you do have an Apple computer, do not worry. This is not something you have to have, but it's something useful to have because it means you can control the robot from your computer. So, first thing, you're going to click FRC Game Tools right here. And you are going, where is it? Oh my gosh. We don't have LabVIEW. Go back. Okay. You are going to download the 2023 version and make sure your computer is Windows and it fits that, and click download. And then it should download after. Is it downloaded now? Yes, it's very quick. But if it says let it make changes, let it make changes. So it will take a bit. Scroll through it, If you read the licensing agreement, good for you. I'm probably I'm not. Click next, everything's good, and click finish. It's not that hard. And it downloads pretty quickly compared to WPILib. So it should be done any second now, hopefully. Okay, so after I finished, where'd it go? After I finished installing it, it actually gave me an error. But basically what I did is I X'd out, deleted it, and I downloaded it again, and now it works. So it will then finish downloading, show a loading screen, bring you to this. And I do not want the Linux image, so I'm not going to choose that. So allow removal. This is if you had 2022 game tools, but I already got rid of them, but you're just going to click that. It's just saying if you had them. So once again, I scroll through it all. So they'll be like, you didn't read it. Accept. And review basically what you're getting. So it's removing the 2022 FRC game tools, which I already did, and it's installing the new game tools and upgrading all these different things that are on my computer. They may not be on yours. But despite if you have the game tools from 2022 or not, I think it will say it wants to remove them. And then you just wait for it to load. Okay, so that took a while. That took a really, okay. Jeez. So it's activating license agreements. Crap, do you have to log in? But that took about 20 minutes to download. And we have a team account. Let me just go find it and log in. And I have to figure that out. Okay, cool. Let me open it back up. I just logged into our account. I'm just going to click extend trial. I did this last year. I have to actually get the licenses. Good.